Xin chào, tentoy la ritso. Hala ate, nasa alabang ka lang, ikalma mo. Viewers everyone, nandito tayo today sa Propaganda Vietnamese Bistro. Wow! Pag nasa Makati ako and I'm visiting my fiancé, ito yung favorite namin na Vietnamese resto. Nasa Greenbelt 5 siya dati. Pero ngayon, nandito na siya sa Molito Lifestyle Center, Alabang! Ay! So they prepared a little spread for us. So here we go. Munch mo. Ano namang much? Excited na ba kayo? Kasi ako excited na. So, ang una natin itatry, itong fried spring roll. I wasn't really sure if I'm gonna like this. Kasi ang favorite ko na tinatry when it comes to Vietnamese food is yung fresh spring roll nila. I was surprised. I really love this. Ang sarap niya. Very crunchy. Ay, crunchy. Syempre fried. Ano ba? Next naman, yung mga iced tea nila, yung calamansi and yung lemongrass. Ang pinaka-favorite ko yung lemongrass. Kasi very lemongrassy yung taste. What? Wait, let me explain. Very fresh and organic kasi lasa niya. Parang masarap siya lagyan ng matcha. Chares, eme! The calamansi was nice too. Parang yung dalawang drinks, masarap siya i-pair with every dishes na nakain namin. Next naman, itong tofu with pepper sauce. Parang bago to sa panlasa ko. I love it kasi very crunchy yung labas ng tofu. Tapos ang soft nung sa loob. Really adds character. Character? Ano ba to? Medyo spicy siya for me, pero it's okay. I love it. Masarap. Up next, ito naman barbecue pork banh mi. I like this. Lalong-lalo na yung pickled vegetables. Wow, pickled vegetables. I don't know, sobrang crunchy kasi nung vegetables. Tapos yung, yung pork, sobrang well seasoned din niya. I love this. As in, babalik-balikan. Yan ata yung pinaka-naubos ko sa set na to. Eto na, for the main event, giant beef rib pho. Oh my God! Akala ko it's gonna be super hard to eat kasi it's giant. Kasi alam niyo naman, sobrang pitit. Charis! Kagrabe kasi nung nilabas ito, I was expecting much, pero I wasn't expecting that much. I really wasn't expecting na like giant pala talaga siya. Oo. So I'm making the perfect bowl here para hindi tayo mahirapan kumain. Grabe, broth pa lang. As in, the broth brought me back to life. What? I'm forever coming back for their pho. As in, laging ito yung kinikrave ko pag gusto ko ng pho. And yung sa beef part, it was super tender. I love it. Last but not the least, mango sticky rice. I love this. Parang masarap din siya with Chares! Hindi natin lalagyan ng matcha talaga. Dito ko sa Propaganda unang na-try to, yung mango sticky rice. And I'm happy medyo upgraded siya kasi meron siyang parang muscovado or brown sugar on top. I really love it. Sarap! So, if you're craving for a Vietnamese food, ano ba mga hinihintay nyo? Punti na kayo dito!